How to sign up for Inner Circle. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an Inner Circle account. So to do that, first of all, download the Inner Circle app and then simply open it on your mobile device. Now once you've done that, it will basically provide you two different options. You can either sign up using your Facebook, or if you want, you can also sign up using your LinkedIn. So for this example, I'll simply choose my Facebook account. Now once you've done that, you'll have to simply tap on the option continue as your name. And now tap on the option let's go. After that, enter your job title. Now you'll have to select your gender, so simply do that. And if you want, you can show your gender on your profile, but if you don't, you can simply leave this bar on toggle and then tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to select your photo, so simply tap on the option continue, and now it will basically provide you with your profile picture. So if you want to continue using this photo, tap on the option continue, but if you want to select a different photo, you can simply do that by tapping the option select a different photo, which is right over here. But for now, I'll simply select this image right over here and then move on. Now you will need a minimum of 3 photos to join, so simply enter 3 photos of yourself. Now you can choose the photos from your Facebook, Instagram camera roll, or you can take a photo. For now, I'll simply go through camera roll and then allow this device. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to select where you heard about Inner Circle, so simply choose the one. After that, you'll have to select what made you sign up for Inner Circle, so simply go through all of these options, and now you will be taken to this page where it will say that your profile is now being reviewed. So once they have finished reviewing your profile, and then once it's approved, you will have successfully created or signed up for Inner Circle. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.